fly, and then it turns white and a little butterfly comes flying, and it lands on the symbol of the logo, and the logo unites and becomes the Earth. And for every launching of the app, we're going to have a quote, an inspirational quote. So for example, we have this one now, and this whole introduction is going to take 2 seconds. And then the user
like the fact of having the Earth like that, just because of this relationship with the Earth and the overview effect.
yeah. So then this is our homepage, which is very similar to TikTok. So basically, it's a feed that you scroll vertically, where the users can watch videos. Of course, all the content is going to be related with sustainable practices and like a healthy way of living and so on.
And sustainable / regenerative, because like it needs to be something that is like lots of different aspects of it.
Yeah, so if you scroll up, you're gonna see videos with this kind of content. Um, for the for the first access, the user can watch as much videos they like. But if they want to run some feature of like liking or posting, then Windows is going to appear for making a subscription, for creating an account. And over this part, just two important information that's going to be needed is that the user has to inform the city where he lives and the amount of time that is willing to invest every day on the learning processes. So here, let's say I live in Munich and I intend to invest 10 minutes every day learning. Here I can pick some tags, so it helps to filter the content at the beginning, and then I create my account as any other process of creating an account. So here at the main page, if I click on plus, like other apps, I go to my camera. I can choose from my folder other pictures. I can use filters. I can type information, and so I can start right away creating content. Important thing is that for posting any kind of content at the app, the user has to put at least 3 hashes. It's going to help to organize the information inside of the app.
The idea is to connect here like always the stories with the inspiration of the stories that good stories you see around you of people preparing the world of tomorrow. You connect it always with learning journeys and with tags that will connect with learnings, so you can actually learn and earn those. So like that's very important that we connect it.
Yep. Okay. So here again at the home page, as Florian said, the idea of the app is first is to be a super index where you can find all the content related to sustainability, but also it creates a way that makes for the user very easy to organize the information and to access. We were talking a few days ago that on my own quest I have information saved in many different platforms and locations, and sometimes for me it's hard to find where did I watch that video. It was on YouTube and Vimeo or wherever, so it's all spread on the internet, and the app I can organize on my library all the videos, the blogs, the podcasts. I have everything in one place, and it's going to be a huge advantage for the user that wants to go in this journey of learning how to have a more sustainable life. So if you click here on this icon, you go to the page of the journeys. So you can search for journeys. Here you have the information, the name of the journey, the time length that is going to take to finish this journey. If I choose this one, sorry, let me return. If I go to, let me go again, here to my journeys, I can see all the journeys that I have already started, or the next one that I'm going to start next. So I save here in my account, And if I click on my journey, I can see here the video, and then it takes to a quiz that is going to be.
It can be gamified in many ways, like
Sources. One is the original content, so the material that's going to be produced by Ootopia and also videos from Zicana, but the videos and the content that is going to be added from by the users that have like the biggest number of likes, they are going also to turn into journeys. And the difference is that the content that has a quiz, it's a journey, so it goes to this page, journeys. But let me tell you about the gamification, what I think that is the most exciting thing. You see these bars at the top that look like video game, that tells the status of your energy or your life power. So if you go to the icon that is the individual here, the first icon on the left, you're gonna open this, that it goes over the home page, and you see here my goal that I set, 10 minutes. I intend to study every day. Here's 0 OS, which is the amount of the coins that I earned as far, and 0% is the amount of time that I studied this day. So I just opened the app and I did nothing. So I'm going to start watching the videos, doing the journeys, and gradually the two spheres are going to come one from each other. So at this time I have already 46% of my goal achieved, and I made 9.331 OS. So here at the top you have a counter that tells how much time I still have to complete my goal today, let's say Tuesday. So every day at 8 p.m. the game of the day finished, and then starts a new one. So I have until 8 p.m. to complete the 10 minutes. Otherwise, I cannot credit the amount of OS that I did by watching the videos and responding the quiz. So is that clear to you? So as I'm watching videos, or for each action on the app, I earn the coins. So during the day, I'm collecting coins as I'm proceeding to the different activities on the app, but I have to use the app at least for 10 minutes in that specific day. Otherwise, I'm not going to credit the OS that I made over the day, right? So if I continue watching the videos and make the quiz, I get to 99%. There's still 30 minutes. So I watch one more video, and then, yes, I completed my mission. I fulfilled my goal of 10 minutes. It means that I earned this 17.06 OS. That this amount goes to my wallet, and then I can see the Earth and the fireworks saying, "Congratulations, you met your daily goal to help regenerate the planet." And here at the icon, it transforms into the butterflies, just to represent that, yeah, I did my part. But then I have this second at the top, the icon that represents the city that I'm taking part of the challenge. So if I click here, I can see the same chart that is going to evolve as the users are reaching their individual goals. And if the whole users of the city of Belo Horizonte or New York or Munich manage to meet their personal goals, then the city gets to the 100%. It turns into the planet, and all the city, all the people in that city receive a bonus of OS for doing their part. Here you can see at the bottom there's a ranking of the cities that are closer to reach the goal at that specific day. And the third at the top, the third on the right, is the goal, the planetary goal. So this is the combination of all the users around the world and all the time combined. So if all the users reach their goal, then we're gonna have a fantastic feeling that the global community is doing their part to regenerate the planet. So I believe that this is the most exciting thing about app, because this creates some kind of urgency that I really have to commit to study at least the 10 minutes every day. And if I don't, I'm gonna lose the credits in us that I was collecting that day. So this is a personal push to complete my mission. But also there's this sense of community for my city, that we can work together to reach the goal, and of course the planetary goal.
And bringing different level of gamification, where like you're learning, you're having fun while learning through the learning journey, and you're like collectively attaining goal.
Yeah. So the other icons are at the bottom. We have the search engine, which is similar to other apps. So you have tags, and here you have a lot of content that you can search inside of the app. And of course, if you watch something that you like, you can save directly in your library. So if I go here to the icon of library, I can navigate through my own content. Let me go to the, sorry, not all the links are clickable in this prototype. So here at the home screen, I click on library. So here I can see my library, vegan recipes, permaculture. Inside of permaculture, I have subfolders with soil, irrigation, gardening. So I can save all the content that I like and organize in order to reach them as necessary. And then we have here this the profile page, where I have my recent posts. I have the link to my journeys, the journeys that I'm doing, my library, and my wallet. And an interesting thing here at the top is that the user is already a tutor. So the users, they're going to have different levels of power inside of the community. If you are just started, you are a visitor. After 10 hours of usage, you become a student. So there are a metric that tells if you are in the level of a visitor, a student, a tutor, or a regenerative master. And these titles grant different power inside of the community. For example, if you are a tutor, you can help to curate the content. So if someone posts a video that is not related with sustainability, is like something silly, stupid, or offensive, the users that are tutors, they can vote to remove that video. So with 10 votes with tutors, the video is automatically removed. So this way, the community can help to create the best content for the app. And these medals, the blue medals at the right, the first at the top is the amount of time that this user reached his personal goal. Let's say the 10 minutes a day. So 65 times he managed to study 10 minutes every day. 13 times he participated on reaching the goal of his city, and 2 times he took part of on reaching the goal, the planetary goal. Then we have the last icon at the right and the bottom, which is the marketplace. So if I click here, I go to the marketplace. I can see by a GPS location the offers that are close by, or I can just search for something that I'm looking for, like pots or kombucha or whatever. So here's the marketplace. If I click on my offers, I can see the products or the services that I'm offering. Of course, I can edit the price of my offer. And if I click on my wallet, then I go to a bank-like interface where I have my balance, my expenses, I can transfer money, and so on. So basically, we have the home page, which is the feed with information, the searching tool, the journeys page, the my journeys, which is the journeys that I'm doing. We have the plus for adding content, the library where I can save my content. I have to put a shortcut to return here. My personal profile and the marketplace, and of course the game at the top. Last but not least, I don't know if you can see there's a watermark here at the top left. There's the icon of the journeys. It means that this video is related to a journey. So if I click this video, then it's gonna lead to a journey itself. And beneath there's a icon of a little TV, and Florian gonna explain what it means.
Yeah, we have a team. We have a team in LA building our OTT app that will be connected with all the manufacturers. Actually, I'm here in Sao Paulo meeting with like with Huawei, with like Season, TLC, Philco, Philips, like all those TVs, so we can be right next to Netflix with our app for like streaming. And like if your video is like well ranked or whatever, with warm data, not with algorithm, but with warm data of the people, you will be pushed directly to streaming, and you will be streamed worldwide with your regenerative stories. So also, this will be one of the revenue stream, because actually on television we want to have we were okay of having advertising from big corporation and stuff like that. Only. On the mobile, we don't want advertising at all, and we obviously will never sell the data, never ever. And revenue stream are three: membership, post sales, and ads from the television. And in terms of organization, we are set up as a DAO, distributed autonomous organization, where we actually like every user will end up being as well a shareholder. As Facebook, that should belong to us, of course, and not to Mark. So that's what we are. The way we are building it is a distributed way, 100%. Well, like some people will have more than others, but like very like distributed in terms of approach. And actually you have three kind of currency. You have yin and yang. You have the traditional currency with like dollars that we get from advertising, membership, and stuff like that. You've got the US, or mutual credit currency, that is being using Cambiatus and EOS, and at some point will turn to Holochain in terms of tech. And on the other side, we have the HUT that we are looking at building on Seeds. That is another project that is actually the right tech for DAO. So yeah, so that's it. Sorry, it's been a bit long of presentation.